Are you confused between these two Arabic letters? Are you confused how they are different? Yes, they are very similar, but they are different. Let's learn in this video. Welcome to my channel, Ever Best Arabic Advisor. We have started a series of learning the similar sounding Arabic letters which have the same sounds but actually they are different. We have done 6 lessons so far. It's our 7th lesson. Here we will learn about the difference between Alif and Hamza. Alif and Hamza. Alif is the first letter of Arabic alphabet and Hamza is the second last. But they are interconvertible. We have discussed it already in my series of Arabic letters. If you have not watched that video, you must know it first before learning this difference. You can find the link in the I button and also in the description. First watch that how these letters are different. Here I will tell you little about it, how they are different. Then I will give you examples to make it clear. Alif is only alif when it is just a straight line. When it is just a straight line, if it carries any sign over under it like kasra, fatha or dumma or jazm, it converts from alif into hamza, which also write like this, hamza. Hamza is a consonant and alif is a vowel because it make a vowel sound when alif is followed by fatha. You can find all this information on my website also. The link of the page is in the description. Here we will discuss it in a different way. We will discuss the examples so we know the real difference. Let's write the examples over here. These are some examples of these two letters. Let's look into example, then you understand it. Sa'ala, sa'ala. When Hamza have a fatha sound, sa'ala, sala, sala. Because alif now here have a fatha before it and it makes a mud sound, so it a little longer. Sala, sala, sa'ala, sala. The meaning is also quite changed when there is some difference like this. So in Arabic, be careful about reading and writing because very few difference make the big changes. Sa'ala means is to ask. And sala means to flow. So you see the difference. Just one sign can make a big difference in the meaning. The second word is da'aba, 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 to preserve. It's daba, daba, to melt. Third word is ra'ai, ra'ai, opinion. Rai, rai is a musical instrument in Arabic. The next word is la'ama, 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 to bend. And lama, lama, blame, to blame. The last word is sa'ama, sa'ama, to be bored. And sama, toxic. So you learn the difference over here that when alif carry any sign, it's convert from alif into hamza, and hamza can carry any sign fatha, kasra, dumma, but alif is only alif when it's an empty straight line and it is followed by fatha, then it make a mud sound. So alif can make the vowel, but hamza cannot make the vowel. So sala, vowel, stretchy sound. Mad means stretchy sound. When alif madda makes a vowel, it makes a mud, and mud means stretchy sound. Sala. The sound of seal is stretching over here. Sa, a, la. Here hamza its own sound as a consonant. Sa, a, la. Sala. Da, a, ba. Da, ba. Ra'i, rai. La'ama, lama. You see, all over here, the sound of the letter before Hamza, alif is stretchy. Lam, if it is, it's lama. If it is ra before alif, rai. If it is dal before, daba, sala, sama. But here, alif, hamza as a consonant has its own sound. Sa'ama, la'ama, ra'i, da'aba, sa'ala. So this is the difference when the sign over alif and when it is no sign over alif. So you learn the difference over here. Do watch my tutor videos also, so you learn the more differences between the Arabic alphabet, so you can be pro. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and visit my site. See you in the next video with a new words to make the difference between similar sounding Arabic alphabets. Assalamu alaikum.